Hello everyone, in this video you will learn instantiate structures and how to produce objects. We wanna instantiate this for test. Open the script, define a game object for the object that you wanna instantiate. Create a new void for easy access from other places. To instantiate or produce, write instantiate, in parentheses the first part is what you want to instantiate, for example, my object. The second part is the position where the object is going to be produced. You can set the object's position in many ways. One of these ways is new vector tree, which instead of this 0 you can put any position you want. The second way is using another object's position. Another way is using vector tree itself positions, like vector tree.0, which is 0, 0, 0 position. Next part is quaternion, which relates to angle and rotation. If you write quaternion.identity, object produces with its default angle. For change the angle, write quaternion q for example equal to quaternion.euler, and in parentheses at z section write the angle you want. Now you can put q instead of quaternion.identity to object produces with a 45 degrees. And last part is related to a specifying parent of instantiated object, which means if you want that the object be child of another object, find the parent object here. You can write this.transform to be child of the script's owner, or find any other object you want. If you don't want to make it a child of any object, only remove this part. To check if instantiate works, call creator function in start. Then create an object and give the script to it. Now you should choose the object that you wanna instantiate. For example, we wanna instantiate this object. To instantiate or produce an object, you should prefab it. For this, after any change you do on it, drag it toward the project section. When you have the prefab, you can delete the object prefab from scene. If you want to make some change on the prefab, you only need to choose the prefab and click on the open prefab from here. Then in the scene window, you can do anything you want with the prefab. For example, change angle, color, scale, etc. By clicking on this button, you can go back to the main screen. Then if you bring the prefab to the scene, you will see it by last change you made on it. I make the prefab like its last state. Now it's test time. Drag prefab towards the script. After play, you can see the prefab instantiated with a 45 degrees. To change angle, you can put any number instead of 45. To test position, create an object, for example called circle. Then instead of vector tree.0, put circle's position like me. You can put its default angle, that is quaternion.identity, and remove defined quaternion. Now after play, you will see that the prefab produced exactly in the circle's position. If you want to make it the circle's child, only at the end add transform of circle. If you play, the object becomes the circle's child. If you want the object name changed after instantiate, open the script and make the things like they were before. Define a game object before instantiate like obj. In this way, as soon as anything produces, it gets put in obj. That way you can do anything you want on this game object, like change name, change position, destroy, etc. For example, for name change, write obj.transform.name equal to the name you want in double quotation. If you want to get any component, just write obj.getComponent, then write any component you want. Now as soon as you press play, the object instantiates and its name changes to player. To destroying any object, you just need to write destroy, in parentheses write name, and after how many seconds you wanna destroy it, for example 2. Now if you play, you can see the object destroys after 2 seconds. You can put any other commands here. You can shoot it like a bullet, make it little, make it big, change its position, etc. I hope this tutorial was useful and understandable for you. Have a nice day. Next tutorial is about navigation system. Don't forget to like and subscribe us.